Hey there folks, it's your favorite electrician Bill from Sunco, and today I'm going to show you why it's so easy to install Sunco's UFO Highbays. With me right here, I have our 150 watt LED high bay. It's 5 pounds. This is going to be a dream to install. Over here we have a hook for demonstration purposes. In the back of our light we have an eye bolt. Check this out. Oh man, we've done it. Let's make sure our breaker's off. I just checked mine, power's confirmed off. I've got a 1/2-inch squeeze connector here. See here, leave enough slack for me to wire. Great. Feed our cable into the knockout of our junction box, our connector into the knockout, 1/2-inch lock nut pulling through the cables. I'm gonna find the threads of my connector, righty-tighty. Then once I get it hand tight, I'm gonna give it a little twist. There, so it's nice and tight. On this fixture, we have 0 to 10 volt dimming here. That's pink and purple wiring. You'll notice they're capped off, so you can just leave them capped off unless you want to use that. And it's a great option to have. It gives you a lot of flexibility. The cable's been fed into our junction box. We are ready to wire. First one I'm gonna get out of the way is our green, which is our ground. Our Sunco light wires come pre-stripped, and you can strip them back a little further if you need. We'll make sure that this is a nice angle, that they're taut parallel to each other, so that when I put the wire nut on and go righty-tighty, you'll feel it bite into both wires. That's why it's important to have the wires even like that. And to make sure I got a good hold, I'm gonna tug on these wires. And I can see it's gripping really good. Now we're gonna move on to this white wire, our neutral. Same deal, make sure they're parallel, put our wire nut in, feel the good grip, give it a tug, good to go. Our black wire, call our hot wire, or if it's hooked up to a switch, we call it a switch leg. Even, it's getting righty-tighty, tug, and we're good to go. So, I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but of course, if we were finishing this off, we'd tuck these wires in, close up this junction box. So now we've got our fixture wired up. Let's turn on that breaker and see it light up. All right guys, let it rip. Look at that. Okay, that's a bright high bay. All right, let's turn it off. And there you have it, 150 watt UFO high bay lighting from Sunco. Until next time, keep it lit, keep it safe, and keep those wires tighty.